So I heard this thing go past me here, and I couldn't help but notice that exhaust get a slight tad bit louder. And there's another 291 with its cooling fan on, passing this way, the opposite direction. You can just hear that from a mile away. E269. Oh, it's E271, bro. Oh, E273 is literally behind, bro. This driver's gonna wonder, why didn't you get that bus in front? This driver's gonna be wondering, why did you not step onto that bus in front? I am not stopping for you. I am not stopping for you. There's a bus right there. There's a bus right there. I'm not stopping for you. I beg this guy allow me on. I'm just gonna act like I just got to this bus stop. I just ran to this bus stop right now and I just missed that. Oh shit, driver, my boss. Yes. Come on. Oh, it's E274, bro. What is going on? Nah. Sorry, boss. Now he's confused why I lighted his bus. Bro, I checked the tracker. It said the E273 should be here by now. This fucking LVF thing, man. Bro, I swear on my life, yeah, I checked the tracker. It said E273 arriving at this bus stop now. Yeah, it said that. It fucking said that, bro. I don't know what's going on out here today. I don't know what's going on today. Huh? And I'm right next to a block as well. Do you think man wants to be standing out here for too long? Fuck no. It's Woolwich as well. You're standing next to a block at Woolwich at this time, at this dark. Cold. The first one that passed was E271. The second one that passed was E274. And the first one we saw pass this way, E269. Right. But I checked LVF. It said this thing was meant to come here at, like, it said it was meant to come here at 5:27, bro. We passed that. I swear down we passed that time. E273, which is the one I'm waiting for, it was meant to come here at 5:27, bro, and we passed that fucking time. Okay, here we go. Bro, see, I frequent the 291 this sometimes, bro. Out of flipping service. This is a proper how to service. 3 291s have passed, not too far behind from each other. I kid you not, yeah. Even though I skipped this video a bit, yeah. This came after like the last one that passed here, like about 2 minutes. Yeah, this is it. E273. E273. Thank you.
To Woolwich Common, Queen Elizabeth Hospital. Woolwich Road. To Woolwich Common, Queen Elizabeth Hospital. To Woolwich Common, Queen Elizabeth Hospital.
Oh shit, what's going on here? Why is the bus stop behind? Wait. Why is the feds behind the bus stop? I mean the bus. Why is the feds behind the bus for? What's going on? And why is the ambulance pulling up too? It's fucking Woolwich for you, bro.
Woolwich Arsenal Station.
I get a move on then. Fuck me. You can go faster than that, mate. Come on. Pussy up.